Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nest Protect app to test alarms and sensors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, locate the App Store icon. For Android devices, find the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Nest Protect. Press the search button on your keyboard. Look for the Nest app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app by Google Nest. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews if desired. Press the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Nest app icon to open it. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. If prompted, allow the app to access your location and notifications. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section. Select your Nest Protect device from the list. Look for options to test alarms and sensors. Follow the prompts to test each feature effectively. Make sure you're in the area where your Nest Protect is installed. Confirm successful tests of each alarm and sensor. After testing, you can review the app for additional settings and features. Close the app when you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.